All right, in this video, we're going to look at formatting the date, where the day is at the front and the month the second, and vice versa. So let's go and do that in Excel now. All right, date's not hard, but there's some formatting issues that pop up sometimes. So I'm going to put in the date here. I'm just going to manually type in 4th of the 4th, and I'm going to put in 17, press return, and it does some things where you can see it's auto-formatted. It's added the year to it there, 2017, when I just put in 17. So you might like that, you might not, but it's easy to go and change. You'll see up the top here, whereas before, all these cells were just set to general. This one's automatically been changed to date. Okay, and we can drop this down, go down the bottom, it says more number options. It's defaulted to date, and you can see these are the different formats. You might want to go back to where you had it before, where you were just using the 2 digits for the last date here. Okay, and what else? There's a couple other ways where it removes the 0. It's up to you, the formatting you want. Down the bottom here, this is the location. So at the moment, mine's giving my day first, then the month, then the year. Okay, if you're based in the US, you do the month first, right? Crazy? But yes, you do. You can change that down here. It says English, United Kingdom, and you can switch it out to United States, and that'll switch that around. Okay, I'm going to leave mine on United Kingdom. And one thing we will do is, so if I switch it back to this one here, kind of the format that I kind of first chose, it doesn't matter what I put in there now. Okay, so I can go into here and I can double click it all, and I can say, actually, I want 4/2017, the long version, and it will always format it to be consistent. Another thing you can do is with it selected here, I'm going to go to date, there's a long version, okay, long date. Okay, click on this one. Now you'll notice in mine it's gone to hashes. Okay, all that means is that I cannot fit in there. So it's showing data that can't fit, so there's not enough room, so I need to make this wider. If I make it too much wider, it's going to go off and be on this page. Not good. So what I'm going to do is with the cell here, okay, with this cell here, I'm going to grab it at the top here next to H here and just drag it along to give myself a little bit more room so I can drag it out and hopefully all my days fit in there. Okay, so you're going to need to leave enough room for the longest date. I don't know what that one is. September? That's a guess. So we're going to need to leave a lot more room probably than that. So I'm going to go along. Okay, move a few of these along just so I've got room for the word September. Okay, and yeah, so that's formatting the days. What you could do is you can put in today's date automatically. So instead of having this date here, I'm going to delete that. And up the top where it says formulas, there's one here called date and time, and I can say today. And that will just calculate, click OK, that'll calculate whatever day it is today. The problem is when I open this quote, it's always going to be today's date. So you might have a quote that you open in 2 years and this date's going to change. It's up to you if you like this automatically filling in and don't mind the dates changing whenever you reissue a quote. That's fine. I'm going to undo mine and go back to how I had it before. Great. There is another way of getting around this. Say you hate the formatting. Okay, the formatting is driving you bananas. You just want it to do what you want it to do. Is under home where it says date. Go back to this one that says text. And text, okay, is just as you type it. If I put in 14th of the 4th, 2017, okay, it's not going to change it. It's just going to be exactly how you want it. And that might actually just be the easiest way to do it for this quote. All right, so that's working with dates in Excel 2016. Let's get on to the next video.